Alright, this is how I lost $1,400 trading the S&P 500. Alright, market just opened recently. I'm going to be going over what I'm looking for today. So I marked out this high and all these stack lows. I think that we're gonna be taking them out today. So during market open, it came up and manipulated this high. Then I'm going to scale it down to the 15-minute time frame. And as you can see, we broke 15-minute structure after that liquidity sweep. And now I'm scaling down to the 3-minute, and I'm looking for a 3-minute change in structure to enter. So I'm going to be updating you guys when I'm taking this trade. Alright, one thing I forgot to mention is that Nasdaq is currently in a bearish S&P. So here it couldn't take out these highs, but ES took them out. So that means that Nasdaq is currently more bearish. But I don't want to take it on Nasdaq just because it's gonna give me a horrible risk reward. Let me show you. It's gonna be like a 1 to 1.7 or something. So I think I'm gonna take it on ES. So my strategy is gonna be liquidity sweep, break of structure, then a 15-minute retrace into a fair value gap or equilibrium, and as you can see, it got hit. And I'm looking for a 3-minute change in structure. So I marked out this fair value gap because it was the closest that we had. So even if we inverse this gap, I would still be bullish. This gap, I would still be bullish. But only this one, it would change the trend. Because this is a low, this is a high, and this is the low. So all of this move up is the high. So I'd rather just wait for this low to get taken out to enter instead of waiting for this gap to be broken. Alright, I'm gonna enter soon and I'm gonna let you guys know what I did. Alright, I'm gonna enter soon, and here I actually have a time delay by 10 minutes because I don't have like a subscription or something. So here we're gonna close, so I'm gonna enter. Okay, that's actually a pretty good fill. I'm gonna put my stop loss above this one. And I'm gonna put my take profit to all these stack lows. I risk 1.4 thousand, which is 1.4%, and my plan is risking 1 to 2% every trade, so that's good. Let me go see. Let me put this drawn to. Alright, I'm gonna update you guys how this trade goes. So I was looking for shorts today, but I definitely shorted way too early. Once I entered this 15-minute gap right here, got inversed, and I'm saying it was too early because if you look at the 2-hour time frame, there was still these stacked highs, and then Nasdaq also has a, which is a potential S&P divergence. And when I was making the weekly bias video, I didn't notice there was a daily gap right here. Uh, yeah, so we were due to come back up here and sweep out these daily highs before we were continuing to come over. So I'm still going to be looking for shorts now. I guess I tried to predict the market instead of reacting to what it told me, and I started shorting way too early. I definitely think that we're still going to continue lower if we respect this fair value gap. I think I call it a day because the price might not have the same momentum to continue lower. So, yeah, great if you got longs, but I didn't. So, I'm going to come back tomorrow and let me know if you guys need something from my videos or if you have any questions about anything. Alright, peace.